Alright YouTube, so my last video was me doing the tune-up on my Aprilia. So now I'm going to go on a little test ride and see how she does, see how much different it feels after a engine warm-up. And also, this is going to be a really sad video, because unfortunately I have to sell my Aprilia. So duty calls, kind of need the money for another vehicle, and unfortunately the Aprilia drew the short straw and is the one that has to go. But it's not going to be all sad, because then it just pushes me harder to get the new RSV4, which hopefully will be in the near future. But for now, we're going to go on a little test ride, see how it feels after the tune-up, hopefully better. The good news about the sale of me selling my poor baby that I love so very much is that it's going to go to my best friend from the military. So I know it'll be in good hands, it'll be treated right as she deserves, so. And hopefully you've watched the video on me doing the tune-up, so at least you can get a good before and after of how she was riding before. I mean, didn't run bad by any means. It just kind of, I don't mean, especially when it's cold, it kind of just hesitated a little bit. So anything under 170 degrees, it just didn't really want to go all that much, and had a tendency when it's warming up real cold, the engine would die. As first impressions go, a considerable amount of power has been restored, especially below 4,000 RPMs. Okay, so without a doubt, the tune-up is greatly helped. Disadvantage is I'm stuck in traffic. Also, one thing to note after doing spark plugs, especially the iridium spark plugs, is a significant power increase in 6th gear. Before it would definitely hesitate below 4,000, but now 6th gear actually has a little bit of punch to it. So for obvious reasons, if you've got a couple of miles on your bike, doing a tune-up is definitely worthwhile. And I greatly recommend the NGK Iridium plugs for this. because that's what I put in. I don't think they were too awfully expensive, like maybe $8 a piece. I mean, you only need 2 of them, so it's not that bad. So second gear, 6,000 full throttle. Yeah, it definitely has increased pep. And as usual, anybody that's ever considering buying one of these, I greatly recommend it. Sadly, I have to sell mine. And hopefully the future holds me getting the new RSV4 one day when I can afford it. But until then, I've still got my Hayabusa, so I'm not without a bike. And all will be okay. And actually found neutral. That's fantastic. So as I said, it's a little sad, kind of a farewell to my baby, my Liliana. It's been one of the greatest bikes I've ever owned. And this is my goodbye to this sweet baby. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.